Mama wakwaba
master abusiyama ba ene de de ba efri NDC mu pe yes abusiya Dr. Kwabena Donko, former power and energy minister, yes Dr. Kwabena Donko ono ena se yedi eye gist no efri nakachi eba abusiya oye NDC ni ma papio abusiya ene de ode abetu dwane se NDC for omo opposition ebeka se wiase nyina nyansa omo negu omo tirim abusia yema omo power na eye NDC for to papa so left right and center yes Dr. Kwabena Donko say yenka nkyere NDC for say se omo ba mu a na kyere se aye se obi abo omo dua omo say o say ohunu ebi Rollins time Atamils time and afe eye John Mahama 1.0 and afe John Mahama 2.0 impo abusia o say ordinary bua NDC enkosi hwe they know what to do ewo eye opposition ba omo ba ban mu a na ato omo ne kasanko abusia ka say gist yes political gist master abusiyama ba ene de ba efri NDC mu pe yes abusiya Dr. Kwabena Donko former power and energy minister yes Dr. Kwabena Donko ono ena se yedi eye gist no efri nakachi eba abusiya oye NDC ni ma papio abusiya ene de ode abetu dwane se NDC for omo opposition ebeka se wiase nyina nyansa omo negu omo tirim abusia yema omo power na eye NDC for to papa so left right and center yes Dr. Kwabena Donko say yenka nkyere NDC for say se omo ba mu a na kyere se aye se obi abo omo dua omo say o say ohunu ebi Rollins time Atamils time and afe eye John Mahama 1.0 and afe John Mahama 2.0 impo abusia o say ordinary bua NDC enkosi hwe they know what to do ewo eye opposition ba omo ba ban mu a na ato omo ne kasanko abusia ka say gist yes political gist master abusiyama ba ene de ba efri NDC mu pe yes abusiya Dr. Kwabena Donko
I'm beginning to regret ever campaigning and voting for the NDC. Honestly, I'm beginning to regret big time. The NDC, is it becoming or has become unattractive? It's like the politicians are all liars. They are misleaders. They mislead us to get their own parochial interests. It's all about them and no one else. For Mr. President Mahama to be handling things the way he's handling things, honestly, I'm highly disappointed. Extremely disappointed in the NDC. Most especially President Mahama. With all the experiences. If a boy or a young man, pardon my language, if a young man who can be his son, Ibrahim Traore, is doing what he's doing in Burkina Faso, and our president is here giving us excuses, I wonder if we truly believed in the lies again and voted for this. Because the first month of the NDC in power, I got a revelation and I said that the NDC party or government should be careful. There could be a military takeover just within the first month, highly the second month. And that's the revelation I got. And I think I've repeated this over and over on all my videos. So, Mr. President, if you are not utilizing your experience, because from my background checks, you've been an assemblyman before, a minister, deputy minister, an MP, deputy minister, a minister, vice president, president, and back to president again. And Mr. President, if you cannot utilize these experiences, I'm highly disappointed. Highly disappointed. The oral, it doesn't mean you fooled Ghanaians, you people fooled Ghanaians. The galamsey, were you just playing tricks on the minds of Ghanaians? Oh, wow. And then this issue of the Igbo king, you've not mentioned anything concerning it, only for you to make it look like we the Ghanaians who are fighting for the land are not reasonable. Really, the same people who voted for you, believing in your words. If you check that video I'm talking about, I said this shouldn't be a business as usual. You should leave a legacy because posterity has judged you. And this time, posterity is going to judge you again, and it will be terrible because it will come with karma. We thought you were going to do something different this time. You have nothing to lose. A second time in parliament as a president, you have nothing to lose. You leave a legacy, something we all will be proud of. Something you will go when you leave power. You sit, look back, and be proud of yourself. And this is what you are giving us. This is what you are delivering. And then the worst side of it all is our Attorney General. Oh, I don't know whether I should call it giving us lectures. He come to talk to us, making all those press conferences as though we are the court to judge somebody. He said, we are going to see Rambo in the jungle. Later, did you know Rambo is even in bed sleeping? So who is going to the jungle? A sick Rambo, or which of the Rambos? So disappointing. Very highly disappointing. I thought you were coming with something different. So the revelation I got about you, God believed in you. Like for real, I even suggested that National Day of Prayers and Thanksgiving Day is nonsense. If possible, call these churches, send letters to these churches. They should all pick up one project in a village, in our rural areas. They should just build one school to help erase school under trees. It's like all fell on the deaf ear. But Mr. President, please be careful. Live with dignity. Live with honor. Let power not consume you. Because we thought you've learned a lot. After sitting back for 8 years, and this is how you are coming to rule, then this experience is terrible. If this is experience, then this is not, and this is nothing to write home about. You are beginning to lose interest. Galamsey is still ongoing, and all we get are excuses. Because when it comes to importing water, you people can import water. We can drink the poison and die. Even when we are sick, our hospitals are nothing to write home about. And who wants to even be sick? We all want to live a healthy life. Mr. President, sit up and fix things. This is a no. You can fix things. You still have the opportunity. You still have the chance to fix things. I have said within 2 years of your government, if you are not careful, it's just a revelation I got. If you are not careful, there could be a coup d'etat. There could be a military takeover. And this shouldn't happen in your time. You deserve to go home with honor. Not the way things are looking. Please. I have supported NDC all my life, and this time I'm beginning to regret it. Greetings, fellow Ghanaians. Kindly help push this video.
Ya maame no mo abatan. Na yesi ye de mo ma akoto today. Na mo mpe. Na mo pesa mo do mo koboda. Yesi bi tua 5,000, 10,000, 15,000. Aban papa aba, suku papa aba. Ade na musu. Mu wura fi Christian Awini. Mo nkwaji sika won ho e. Ya wo kira mo baabi a mo ntoma banko no. Christian Awini, mo nkwaji sika won ho. Ai. Minim sasabi enipa sa nipa wanko suku enipa wono wanko suku atwere nwoma ma obi koto nipa asabi wantena classroom da no so watwere nwoma na nipa di akire kopa nwoma nato Christian Awini no wansi classroom da ka kire mo say free secondary school a eba ma asabi enwisia ni nyanka no mu bia na wo mawofu ni sika na wo mo daache esei no aban dumfo bi ba ye nhyehyɛ ya ma sankora ne daache ba mu no enye no sa nipa wei etimi ka kire mo baabi a mo ntoma ba enko enne yesi mu tua 5,000 10,000 monko na Christian Awini ma musika why Ghana movie actor monko no ma musika ai Kumawood actor monko jisika why na monfa nkotua ya titimo ono ya titi we samtwira ni we sabi me maame kro no kwotena dwuma ton momone na appearance ne na ho fasuo kura ehye nkuna chen we saa oba we ti TV su no oye dede kire mo modi ya kire Captain Smart no mu ye dede kire mo twini Jonas no ohene babo ama Kevin Taylor no eye dede amutie mo ho awiye awurade efi na ekro mehwe me nyame sum ye saa nipa bia wode ne ho tu nyame su bia nyankopon nye hwamodie nyankopon akufu ado nyankopon wote ase wonai nyame ne bawo miya nyankopon mese mo nai mu ye nyame a mo ni kro twa wisia egusu 24/7 ehwe nipa mo wiye ye na aba no aban papa ebeba ama suku papa aba ene mo hu ne NDC fo de ayemo mo hu no kwan o mo de mo na mu yes mohunu kwan wenum nti ena na proprietors ni school headmistress ni headmaster fo esu wei saa kro no wei anu omo pa ba time fo abo omo nti wei mu nti eno ma sei ena omo de akufo ado to tankruwem ene omo da yeso abem omo da yeso abem ene na yemfa nimo yemamenom yemfa nimo hwan ne ka kire mu se John Mahama enim kwan a yefa subuman hwan ene ka kire mu hwan na ka kire mu se John Mahama enim kwan a yefa subuman education hia John Mahama se obi beko school beba be ye krachini awuraba ehia John Mahama eye ne dadwene hwan na ka kire mu 2012 besi 2016 na muni krom ha o mo manu mu ana awie ko teacher training nursing training awie school tifia ne yemfa o madwuma na o madane ade so amosa ato aduane mu omudie no na muni krom ha o ka se numpo de ne beko na ban beko opposition emfa no nko na muni ha se sansem twrofo hihye nsem twrofo abo ka kire wo mo kokuam hihye wo mo bo sha akese e na o mu tumfu turogumani aban ono ba ye behwe mo ma ahokire biremu mode ne to tankuruwam ene ma wiye ye nie abatan Ghana abatan ma wiye ye nie ni Ghana disuafo asabi a nurse for ne teacher for mo kwotena classroom sua ade se bi mo ankoton momone tena ho ti atrosem ne na ada asem ene wo hu musuma wieye nyame uye nyansafo yankopon uye nyansafo na uye nimdifo so wangu nana adodanko akufo ado ene Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bomia wangu omani mu ase dabi wama nipa de na ni ehunu ne mfonso ne ni mistake ya waye uye nyansafo nyankopon ko Christian na wini ho ono na nese yakufo ado free secondary school eye tantan proye munkoji sikankan kire ne say don mama de papa aba na ne mutua 5000 6000 7000 ne 10000 oma musika metua oma musika onko ontu kwan kuro imu monko kuma wood atta monkoji sika ono Christian na wini nyame na atua ye nyina yeka nyankopon e na atua ye ne ye maamenom ne ye nananom ne ye mma ye soka ye tikuro imu nyame na atua yeka aban papa aba ene musu oba wa Ashanti region ye na akotu sirim o Cape Coast ye na ba Ashanti region o kode musu mane mranko da bia mai mane mranko enne headmaster for ne mistress for koko aso ma no monte na mo betia because MPP mam ye mo meye sa adwuma ne biem aha adwuma asabi adwuma sine ne yakatua ye ma MPP aban emeye biem da bi timuko